Ubuntu if you want before installing it, but I'm assuming you're committed to dual booting the Penguin, so click install. Follow the prompts. You can connect to Wi-Fi now or later. To the top. Save and exit. After the restart, you should see the Linux boot menu, which will allow you to choose your operating system. Nice one. Ubuntu isn't difficult to use. You've got your navigation with pre-installed software and settings panel to get you started. For web browsing and document creation, it's pretty straightforward. If you decide you don't want Linux anymore,